Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and shout out especially kay Sir Julius, sir. Welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and this is your unit, sir. Double Bell M92 full metal. Ayan siya, 24 rounder capacity, double stack. Okay, double stack BBs. Meron siyang manual safety. Ayan, check natin, manual safety. Okay, working. Ayan. So, ambidextrous manual safety siya. Kabilaan. Ibig sabihin ng ambidextrous magkabilaan. Okay. So, ayan. So, may thread yung barrel. Pwede mo siyang lagyan suppressor, tracer units, silencer. Ayan. Then, meron siyang accessory rail for flashlight. Okay. And then, meron siyang kasama extra, no? Loading nozzle. Ito po yung part na to. Yan, yun yung part na yan. Yan yung loading nozzle. So, meron siya extra. And then, meron siya cleaning rod. Kasama, cleaning rod. Pwede rin siya panundot ng bara. Then, meron rin siyang kasamang number 12, standard, green gas. And 0.23 grams, 4,000 shots BBs. Okay, so ngayon magte-test for tayo. Lagyan na natin ng BBs. Okay, upside down. Inverted position, 3 segundo lang. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, Sir Joseph, test for tayo ng inyong unit. M92 by Double Bell. Okay, unit of Sir Julius. Sir, test for tayo. Ayan. M92. Semi-automatic. So, ready to fire. Test fire. Firing. Okay. So, open slide. Release the magazine. Then, hatak mo lang to. Ayan. Okay, hammer down. Okay, Sir Joseph, okay na yung unit. Sir Julius, okay na po yung unit nyo, sir. Ayan. Okay, Sir Julius. Okay, if you have more question, message them sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.